we're making chicken curry today. Okay, here we go. Onions, ginger, garlic, then coriander, chilies. These are the masalas. We'll come to that later. Chicken, already diced up breast. Okay, here we go. Chopping some onions with hands, just roughly, because I am going to blend it once it's a bit softened, which you guys will see. So once it's done, I'll be alright. Okay. Okay. Garlic, best way, just smack it on. A little bit of that. Just chuck it in. I have washed my hands, so hands are washed. Just don't put that in the video. Cameraman's laughing. It's so simple to cook, like, because everyone thinks like, oh God, how are you gonna make the curry? How are you gonna make the meat, especially men? But it's so easy. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
My son is making the video. Okay, that's plenty. Put the gas on. Okay, oil going in. It's my first time really. I'm speaking and probably showing my face. A bit shy, so bear with me, guys. A bit of oil, couple of teaspoons. As with this, you gotta put your butter in as well, but not too much. So I'll say just get a karshi and not much should be plenty. Just mix it in there. So just soften it a bit. I know it seems too big, but we're gonna grind it, and it's gonna end up just like better than the restaurants. You have any?
Yeah, that is.
Putting in some cumin seeds. That just goes in the beginning, so set back tablespoon. But it depends how you want to cook it anyway. It's up to you. Once you start, you can just chuck in everything really. And that's it. Takes time, but once you're there, you guys will do it. I think everyone should try cooking.
Yeah, everyone.
All men should cook, but don't let your wife know. Otherwise, you'll be in the kitchen every time. Just keep it a secret. Let it soften a bit. Guys, getting there now. Getting soft. Yeah, let's put the masalas in. Okay, come on, Vinny. This is kasturi methi. This is achari masala, turmeric, haldi, loon, salt, chicken masala, and tandoori masala. So just chuck that in. Give it a mix. Put some our special magic tomato puree. This gives it a good colour. Give it a mix. Guys, this is an Indian masala, which they call, I think, a 5 mix, whatever they say, I don't know. So you can get it from Indian shops anyway. You just grind it, that's it. Heat it up a bit, grind it, becomes like that. Chuck it there, give it a mix. Okay, putting some tomatoes in. Blend it. Smash it up a bit, mix it up a bit. Okay, shut the gas, let it get cool down because we're going to put in the blender. Looks nice, Shane.
Yeah, that looks nice.
Don't even say that, bro. Okay, guys, it's cooled down now. Come close a bit. It's nice because the juices of the oils come up. So that's really done really anyway, but we're gonna grind it. Once it's in all, okay, a bit more. Okay. Guys, all done. You'll see how it comes out. Okay, let's give it a spoon it out. And that's it. Okay, now let's put the gas back on. Okay, guys, I'm supposed to grind the chilies in there as well, I forgot. But I'll chop them up now anyway with a knife. It's not a problem. Okay. Chilies, 5-6 chilies, plenty. Just finally chopped rough. Let's see. I don't know what I was saying there. I'm a bit shy, guys. I am a shy person. I don't get there one day. Yeah. Okay. How's it colour? Look nice?
Yeah, nice. Dark red.
It's It's orange, man.
Orangey red.
It's colorblind. Okay, time to go for the chicken. Chicken has been washed, chopped, heated up, washed, chucking it in. Let's see, put the gas a bit high. Mix. Tell you guys, I know you can't smell it, but it smells good. Even though it's not cooked. But the sauce is
It
nice.
smells very
The
nice.
sauce is really nice. And you will, once you make it at home, you will, people probably think, hey, you get that from the restaurant. See? Okay, let that go on the heat, tidy up a bit. Leftover sauce that was in this. What do you call this?
Sauce.
Not that bits.
Right, the cup.
Cup. Okay, the leftover sauce, guys, in this cup. Just fill it with a bit of water. The chicken's come to a heat. Good. It's getting there to cook, so just gonna put a bit of water. Because you gotta have it ready with your rice. Or you can have paratha or roti with it. As we guys do, whatever you guys like. Well, everyone likes the chicken and the roti, chicken and rice. Okay, let that go on the boil for a bit. Okay, just putting in some coriander, roughly chop up. Roughly chop, say it nicely. Okay, lid off. Sprinkle it in so it looks nice. If someone came in now, they probably think it's cooked. It's still not though. Let's see, how does it look?
Very nice.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Just giving it a little stir. You probably need about, let's say, 25 minutes, half an hour should be alright. Give it a bit of a full blast on the gas and then lower your gas, let it simmer. I'll say good 20 minutes. So 5 minutes on full blast, 20 minutes on simmer. Not should be, it'll be definitely cooked thoroughly throughout and ready to eat. Okay guys, it's been about 15 minutes. Now I'm gonna lower the gas, let it simmer for a good 20 minutes. Okay guys, we're there now. It's been 20 minutes on the simmer. Just chucking in some more coriander. To give you the freshness. It doesn't matter what you cook, as long as you got the coriander in, just makes it look nice. Even if the other food's tasty or not tasty. Plating up time. As you can see, it's bubbling away. When you know something is cooked, it's when the oil comes up. When it's come out of the food juices, as you can see, and you know it's cooked. If you're still not sure, then keep it on the gas then. But that's the idea anyway. As soon as the oil comes up, you know it's there. And That's it. Get ready to eat and have some rice or chapati, roti with it. Cold glass of beer before you start. Then it warms you up. That's it. Can't be too greedy, eh? One thing I always want to do is what they do in telly. There you go. Okay guys, I hope this has helped you. Try it. I couldn't change the light bulb. Start cooking. Hope you enjoyed the video. It's my first. I have made a few videos. It's my first video where I've spoken and actually showed my face. Hope it's not too scary. I'll be making some paratha, Sunday paratha. I'll show you how it's done. Tried it a few times, yeah, it's nice. Just like the old our bibi or grandma used to make back in the days. And then take it from there. Hope you enjoyed it, hope it helps you. And do try it guys, try it. Help your wives, help your mom. Take care, bye.